Hi, so right now I'm going to go over converting a Roman number to an integer. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols, and the trick with this is sometimes you have to add them and sometimes you have to just subtract them depending on whether or not the value to the left is less than the value to the right. So how I think is best to do this is let's make a hash map of all the values. And the letter will be the key, and the value is its value. So hash map with a character and the integer as its value. And we could just put all of these values in here. We have to put in I as 1, just going to copy this here, I as 1 and V as 5, X as 10, L as 50, C as 100, almost done, D as 500, and M as 1,000. Okay, so we're going to have to deal with the length, so I just like to make a value that is the length. So this will be the index. That we're dealing with, and it's 0 base, so I have to minus 1. We're going to return a result, which would be, for now, which is going to be the value at the rightmost of our input of the string. So that would be the char at this length here. Okay, so let's iterate right to left. So that means for int I, that equals the length. And we're going to do minus 1 again here because we already have this value here. So we're doing from right to left, not the last value, but the second to last value. I is greater than or equal to 0. And then we're going to do I minus minus because we're going from right to left. So if the current value, what we're going to do is greater than the value to the left of it, we're going to add the current value to the result. So that means if so we're going to check the value of it in our hash map. So we're going to get S char at I is greater than or equal to I plus 1 the result is going to plus equal hm get s dot char at I. And if not, we are going to subtract it. So that would mean minus equals hm get s char at I. And then we are going to return the result. And actually, I just want to mention here that the reason why we're starting at the length minus 1 is because we're comparing our first one to the result. So that's I plus 1 here. And let's check this. Okay, that should help you solve Roman to integer. Thank you.